Good morning, Blackburn's Renovation. I should have did this before I started, but I didn't. So I'm at my cousin's house, and they want me to replace the brick molding around the door, which I did that. They go to old brick molding and the new brick molding. I already replaced it. Everything looks good. So now what I'm doing, paint this door. See how it look now? So I already painted this down here. It's gonna look good. Look like a brand new door. So y'all stay tuned. I'm all done. Trim up, door painted, closed better than it did the first time. They had to pick up on it to close it the first time, but now all they gotta do, open it, close it. What's up, y'all? So here we go, back at it. I'm about to replace this front door. Let y'all see how I do it. Hopefully it's pretty easy. And hopefully the front door fit. Kind of dark, ain't it? Ain't got no power over here. But hopefully y'all can see me. Let me move the thing closer. Put it right there. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. Probably drop it down some before Cam get me. She on her way over here to bring me the doorknobs. So let's see what we can do. See what the nails is. It's an old house. Look like I gotta start from the outside. Cam on her way, y'all. She might say hello. Might not. I don't know. But she on her way. Hold on. Got the new door. Half moon, half wagon wheel, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just finna dry fit it, see if it works. Got it in. Close good. Lock. Pop's over there working on the other door. Back door in. Good morning, guys. I'm headed back to the renovation property this morning. I had to come back to the house to get my AirPod because I was trying to charge my microphone, but they taking forever to charge. I don't know. I ain't charged them in forever. I ain't used them in a while. But we finna go over here and get back started. I got the doors in yesterday, the front and back door. So today I'm gonna go over and start taking out the kitchen cabinets. And hopefully once I get that done, I will start back putting up the sheetrock. But I'm gonna get the kitchen cabinets out first. You know, be real careful doing that. Make sure I got on the proper PPE, gloves and mask. I already got eye protection on pretty much. I don't think I gotta find goggles to fit over these glasses. But we finna go over there and get started. So y'all stay tuned. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Made it to the destination. Let me show y'all this front door. I don't have to take my drill and take the screws out to go in anymore. Front door's in. Back door in. Still no power. I called him. I'm gonna drop my speaker. I called him and told him to turn the power back on, but I come prepared. I got a light on my head, so I'm just waiting on him to call them, tell them to turn the power back on. He's staying in Alaska, so they're a little bit behind us. But I'm finna get started today. Hopefully, I can get these kitchen cabinets and countertops and everything up. I gotta go back out to the truck and get my mask. I'm gonna take all this stuff out. Yeah, put my gloves on. Get to work. I know that ain't. He said something about keeping them cabinets, but I told him, no, you might as well just take them out. So I gotta take the hot water heater out too. He wanted to move the hot water heater set up from there to over here, which that shouldn't be a problem. All I gotta do is take the lines through the attic and connect them and let them come down over here. So that shouldn't be a problem. So we'll get that done soon. I wrote out a little game plan. That's basically how I go through my jobs. I write out a game plan, and once I write the game plan out, hey, it's time to tackle it. But I did start putting the sheetrock up in the living room, as y'all can see. I did do that. I gotta finish this corner. So in the process of putting the sheetrock up in the living room, I end up getting sick. Yep, I end up getting sick. I gotta take that heater out, take that out. So yeah, but other than that, everything's looking good. All right, so I came in and took the cabinets out, as y'all can see. I cut the water line because we're gonna put new water lines. Still got the drain pipe in the wall. But the only thing about it, the cabinets were built into the house, as y'all can see. They go all the way up to the ceiling behind this little partition up here. So we still got the vent hood stack. I'm gonna keep that for now. But only thing I have to do is just take down these pieces of plywood along the wall and everything. Yeah, it didn't take too long. Half of them, the cabinets I took out, they were just falling apart. I don't know if they stayed wet over time or what. But only thing I gotta do now is move this hot water heat out the way. Cause like I said, it's going in this back corner over here by the washer and dryer. He wanted to build like a little laundry room area almost. So I'm gonna do that for him. Pretty much the space already there. As y'all can see, where this tile's missing, that's about all he needs. He might have to come out like a couple more inches or a couple more feet or a foot. But I took that board down yesterday to the back window, me and my dad. So I did that, swept everything up and just put it out the back door because it got to be hauled off anyway. But other than that, that's one of the goals I want to get completed today was take those cabinets out, which I pretty much did. So now what I'm gonna do is just go to the back room and finish up the sheetrock back there, or either in the living room. Either or, it doesn't matter. It has to be done. Here we go. Done sheetrock in the living room. You see, I stopped it right there in the hallway. Right there. That's where I stopped it at. So don't mind the gaps. The mud's gonna cover all that up. But the living room is done. Putting sheetrock up. You see, I cut it out around the windows, the outlets, that window. So all I gotta do now is mud. But what I wanna do, I wanna finish going down the hallway, finish those back bedrooms, kitchen. Then I will mud, then I prime. So tomorrow I'm gonna finish putting up the sheetrock going down the hallway. Then I'm gonna go into the bedroom, finish putting up sheetrock in there. Then I can put mud up. And one day next week, I can paint, put the floor down. And it'll almost be wrapped up, almost. But like I said, there's a lot of little stuff that go into it that some people don't realize. They think you just come in here and throw something up, boom, you done. No, they don't work. But yeah, it don't work like that. You gotta take your time when you're doing stuff like this. So I think this is a pretty good stopping point for today. I got that up. Next week, all the doors and everything is gonna go up. And we'll pretty much be in there. Yeah. But yeah, the cabinets, let me show y'all what I was talking about. See what I mean when I say they was built into the walls, into the house? They were like real cabinets, dude. That's real. No, not the bottom cabinets, they weren't. Because like I said, when I was taking those out, they just pretty much fell out. But I'll go back here and show you what else I gotta do back here. All the doors are in the hallway. See, this room right here is ready for another coat of mud. It's ready for another coat of mud. I'm gonna come in and do that. Put this closet door up. Put this door up. Then this room be ready for prime and paint. Gotta do the bathroom. Take that toilet out, put sheetrock up in here. This room is kind of dark. Look at that dust. It's kind of dark in here. I gotta take them boards off the window. We gotta get that stuff out. In this room, we gotta finish putting the sheetrock up in here, as you can see. Well, I know we'll be good to go. Here go my rags. I was looking for that. My light's still here. My pry bar still over there. We coming along, coming along. But yeah, I'm gonna get to a stopping point and I'll get back with y'all tomorrow. So today, Wednesday, I was over here yesterday, which was Tuesday. So my dad with me today, we went on ahead and finished sheetrocking going down the hallway. We got the sheetrock done in the hallway, got it cut out around the doors. But ran into a problem. We started trying to put the doors in. Door is a 32. So that means the frame for the door to fit in needs to be at least like a 34, 35. But for some reason, it's not. So I'm gonna have to doctor on it to make it fit. This room, probably this room, the bathroom, this room right here, and you see that one fit in perfect. We got that one in, it fits perfect. Work good and everything. Living room sheetrock. Trying to put the doors in. Then this right here, the closet door, it won't fit either. So I got a doctor on them how to put a 2x4 along here, because that's a 27, the doors are 24. But the frame for the door, the jamb for the door is 25. So once I put that up, it'll close it in 2 inches. So it should fit right in once I do that. But hey, that's what comes with remodeling an older house. So I hope y'all like these videos I'm posting of this remodel. If you got any questions, comment down below. If you got any tips or anything, feel free to give them to me. So until then, hope y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and continue to watch Blackburn's Renovation. And I'll see y'all next time.